Mansory has modified a Ferrari F8 Spider with a bold black and blue paint scheme. The car's 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine has been upgraded to deliver 868 horsepower. A plethora of forged carbon fiber parts have also been installed. Last year, Mansory created the utterly garish Ferrari F8 Spider known as the F8XX Tempesta Turchese, featuring over-the-top aero add-ons and a bizarre two-tone white and turquoise paint scheme. Fast forward to mid-2024, and they're back with yet another flamboyant F8 Spider, which might be even crazier. While this F8 Spider doesn't have a unique name like the car we saw last year, it has been ruined fitted with many of the same parts. It's hard to imagine anyone looking at this F8 and thinking, yeah, this car is worth way more than a standard F8. But Mansory has been around for many years and does sell even its most outlandish creations. Found at the front of this F8 Spider is a thoroughly revised fascia with a forged carbon fiber splitter and air intakes. It also features dramatic flics on the front splitter, aerodynamic canards, and carbon fiber louvers on the front fenders. Heck, the forged carbon also extends below the headlights, across the hood, and over the window frame. The changes don't stop there. The tuner has fitted 21-inch wheels to the front and 22-inch shoes to the rear, and they, too, have forged carbon fiber accents. This F8 Spider also has new side skirts, while the rear diffuser has been overhauled with two small winglets, a forged carbon deck lid, and a new diffuser. It also features new quad tailpipes. Then we get to the interior, which is arguably even more shocking than the exterior. It is bathed in turquoise-colored leather extending across almost every interior panel, including the seats, dashboard, door panels, carpets, and steering wheel. The only parts not finished in this leather are some small carbon fiber accents and a handful of black components, including the air vents. Mansory wrapped up work on this F8 Spider by upgrading its 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, meaning it now churns out 868 horsepower and 708 lb-ft, 960 Nm.